dear friends, hope you are well. Today we will show you a new design in folding magnet box. And this box is very popular. And here is this one. As you can see, this box is very special. And here is a ribbon to hold the box, right? And for the outside, you can see the flowers seems like very wonderful. And logo in UV treatment. Of course, the flower in splash UV and it's very shiny. And let's open the box to see the inside. Wow, inside is holographic paper. This is very colorful, and this paper material is very popular recently. And inside can print your design. Outside print design, and inner box you can see is holographic paper. If you are interested in this box type, please contact us for more details. See you next time. Bye.